Yes, hello there. This is the team of Arua Blood Bank Management System. Today we are presenting testing, whereby we shall look at how we made sure that the functionality of our system is in line with what we want to achieve, and we are going to dive into the test cases that we had for Arua Blood Bank. So we first of all accessed the donor registration model, whereby we entered donor information such as age, blood group, contact details, and medical history. And after entering those details, we click the save button to ensure that donor details are saved. And after this, we access the inventory as well as the database to ensure this information is saved and added. So that's what we had for the donor model. Nicholas will take us through the next.
Yeah, thank you everyone. While testing our system, we had to test our inventory module, and when we are testing inventory module, we check the current stock that we had in the inventory, and after checking the current stock that we had in the inventory, we had to take out some stock, like request for some other stock via other hospital out. Then we check whether the changes had occurred in the inventory to reflect the changes, because some blood had gone out. Then another test we did in the inventory was we added some stock into their inventory, and afterward we had to check whether it was displaying the rightful information after addition of some stock into the inventory. Yeah, that goes in hand in hand with this blood request allocation model that we carried out the test with. It was going hand in hand with our inventory test. Then we did a test on the security of the system, whereby we made sure that some of the users log in with wrong credentials and others log in with right credential, to see whether the system could reject the ones with wrong credentials. And it was good, the system rejected the ones with the wrong credentials and only accepted the ones who had the right credentials. That was some of the basic steps that we did. Let me invite Hilary to take us through.
Good evening. I'm going to talk about the testing methods. Basically, we tested the function requirements. In this, we basically focused. We made sure that the system functions as intended. Then we tested each module, like the inventory. We tested it, and we made sure that it performs the desired functions that we wanted it to perform. Then in the aspect of non-function testing, basically we are testing at the performance, usability, and security. In the performance testing, we measure the response time, the throughput, and the resource utilization. Then in the usability testing, we tested how easy it is to access some features in the system. Then the security testing, we identify and we address the vulnerabilities and security risks. Basically, in whatever we made sure the authentication meets the required meets the required requirements, that the expectations. Made sure that some people who have no login credentials, the system does not allow them to log in, and giving them information that the login credentials they have provided, it is inaccurate, something like that. Thank you. We have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you.